Welcome to All About Robots, our helpful mechanical friends, with Ms. Phillips, STEAM Technology. We're going to explore the world of robots and how they impact our lives. What exactly is a robot? A robot is a machine made to do a special job, controlled by a computer or a human. The study of robots is called robotics. Robots come in many forms. Some even look like humans, especially in stories and movies. Robots are machines that are programmed to perform tasks automatically. They vary greatly in size and shape, from small toy robots to large industrial robots used in factories. People have desired machines to help them with tasks throughout history. As far back as the 5th century, a Greek mathematician created a mechanical dove powered by steam. The first humanoid robot, Electro, was built in 1937-1938 and could speak 700 words. Today, robots perform many different jobs. Industrial robots are used in factories because they can perform complex tasks quickly and accurately. You often see them on assembly lines, helping to build products like cars. Robots are essential for keeping people safe. They perform hazardous tasks like search and rescue after natural disasters, such as earthquakes. They are much safer than sending a human into dangerous situations. Robots also assist with household tasks. There are robots that mow the lawn and others that vacuum the floor. Can you guess what these robots are doing in the images? In hospitals, robots are used for surgery in areas of the body that are too small for human hands to access. This precision allows for less invasive procedures. Planet rovers are robots that explore distant planets in space. They perform tasks without constant human commands because radio signals take a long time to travel back and forth from Earth. Here are more robots. An android is a robot that looks like a human. A hexapod is a 6-legged robot that walks like an insect. For some fun facts, the smallest robot is a nanobot, less than 1 millimeter in size. Robots perform only tasks they are programmed to do. A cyborg has both biological and artificial parts. The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, meaning hard or dull work. Some robots even deliver dinner. Robots are becoming more common in our daily lives, assisting with chores, exploring dangerous places, and even in healthcare. As technology advances, robots will continue to play an increasingly important role in our society. Let's match some terms to their meanings. Robots are defined as machines, which can be programmed to perform tasks automatically. Next term. Industrial robots are often used in factories to help build products. Factories are the correct match. Finally, some robots are designed to explore places that are dangerous for humans. Dangerous is the term that matches this meaning. Now let's match this last term. The task that robots can assist doctors and nurses with in hospitals is commonly performed by a specific type of robot. Common is the correct match. Our objective is to demonstrate sequencing commands using robots to program paths to targets. This involves logical step-by-step thinking. We will demonstrate and explore robots by coding. The materials include CodeGo, the community as targets, and engineering tools. You now have 15 minutes to engineer and code your robot. Focus on creating the path for your robot to follow. Let's think creatively. Invent a robot. If you could invent a new robot, what would it do, and what would it look like? Each participant will decide the robot's job and how it can help humans. Discuss with your partner for 2 minutes and draw your plans using digital boards. We will now play Color Drop in groups of 2. After the spinner is used, code your robot. The group that reaches 4 points wins the game. Another game is Bot Baseball. Use the dice to determine your next move and code your bot's path accordingly. Let's play Fry the Bacon game. Teams will place a beanbag on top of their robot. The first bot to get 3 beanbags or bacon inside the hula hoop or frying pan earns a point. In Balloon Pop, attach a balloon and a wooden skewer to your robot. The goal is to pop your opponent's balloon. When the timer is up, the bot with the unpopped balloon earns a point. Explore our robot and coding stations, CodeGo mazes, Ozobot mazes, KidBot mazes, BlueBot mazes, PandaCode, and CodeGo Art. Each station offers a unique coding challenge. Let's reflect on today's activities. Who is someone you'd like to thank for working with you today? What will you tell someone at home about what you learned?